Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video I am going to show you how to play games on Instagram. Instagram has launched its new feature where you can play game using the DM of Instagram. To use this feature, first make sure that your Instagram application is updated. Now go to your Instagram application. Make sure that you are logged into your Instagram account. Now here you'll be taken to the home page. Now tap on the message icon at top right section. Now select the person through which you want to play the game. Now tap on message add down. Then select your any emoji that you want to send. I am sending the smiley emoji. Now tap on send. With that, the emoji message will be sent. Now to play the game, single tap on the emoji that you have just sent. With that, a game will be started. Now here you can see the emoji that you have selected. Now you need to hit the emoji on the black line so that you can gain the points. As you can see here, when the emoji hits the black line, I get extra points. With that, you'll be able to play game on Instagram. This is how we can play games in Instagram. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.